Well, I've been out in the sun all freaking day, hoofing it, doing all kinds of work. Yeah, for neighbors, for me, for everybody else. Now I'm going to try me some cinnamon toast crunch iced coffee. Yeah, I don't think I've ever had it before. I don't know. Anyway, it's already been shook up, twisted up. Hmm. Kind of tastes like the milk when you have your cinnamon toast crunch cereal. Other than that, I guess it's all right. Maybe I ain't chilled it long enough. Oh well. Hmm. Guess it'll work.